Every time we do a course on WordPress, we do need to talk about what is WordPress. Because this is a recurring theme, we have a playlist here on the channel called WordPress Essentials with small little videos that cover all those questions like what is a theme, what is WordPress, how do I change the language, how do I do this, etc. Companion to that is another playlist called Website Essentials, and those will cover things that are generic to all websites. And if you are very new to this and you really want to get deeper into this, then you follow those two playlists as well with videos that come out weekly or bi-weekly. But if you just want to make that one single website for yourself and you just want to get going, then you don't really need to dig into all of that terminology and understanding all the processes. You can simply just follow along with the crash course and the starter course and then the future core and blogging and e-commerce courses. And that will bring you to a point where you will be very happy with the product. WordPress is free. However, the things that you use to run it on, like your host and you need to get a domain, these things are not free. And you need to spend that money to get your site going. However, if you want to practice and don't spend any money and just get a WordPress framework in which you can practice along, look in the description below. I give you two options. One is a local option, which you can do on your computer. I won't really recommend it because it's very, very slow. But if you have no alternative, you do that. The other one is an online developer kind of staging site that you can do. Very simple to sign up. Very easy. And the links for those videos are in the description below so that you can easily follow along and practice along. So WordPress is the first one. Then we will be using a theme called Blocksy in this, and we'll talk a lot about themes until we won't be talking about themes anymore. Blocksy is the theme that we will be using. Think of your cell phone. You want to change how the cell phone, all the apps look, you change the theme. That's the same thing. But the theme does so much more. It also regulates a lot of things, such as the base font on your site that will be used, your headers, your footers, and how people will navigate in the menu at the top. For that, we're going to use the free version of Blocksy. Great premium version, which I absolutely adore. But for this starter course, no need to go into that. Then to build out our pages, the content creation of our pages, we're going to use a builder called Brizy. Now, there are so many builders on the market. I'm, of course, with Brizy, and that's why I love using Brizy. All bias aside, when it comes to using a builder from the get-go and you've never done anything, I highly recommend Brizy. You're going to see once you get used to the user interface, it's really a breeze to use it. Very easy, right? Brizy. Great. So these are the three tools we're going to be using: WordPress, Blocksy, and Brizy. They're all free. You don't need to spend any money doing this course. You don't need to sign up for any trials. You're going to do this all within WordPress. Very simple. Then the last part that you will be needing for this course are the images. The images I've gotten from a great website called Freepik.com. They have free stuff, and all the images I'll be sharing with you comes from their free stuff. I give you this name Freepik.com so that if in the future you think you need more images or you want to look at their premium stuff, this is the best pricing solution for the amount of content that you get on the internet. They are not an affiliate. I don't get any money for promoting them. I want to give you the resources that's going to get you the easiest on your legs from crawling to running. And they are a good investment if you need to work with stock photos or vectors. What I've done is I've taken the images that we will be using and I've put them in a zip folder that you can download, and that link is also in the description below. This is all you're going to need to run this course. Let's get into WordPress next. Log in and clean it up a little bit so we have a nice clean interface.